So now we're going to try and log in. This is a user created on the cloud. And if you notice, we're not selecting the Remember Me option in this case. We're just going to log in as it is. Now we're going to try and close the app. And when you log back in, it doesn't store your credentials. So you have to re-log in because you didn't do Remember Me. Again, you type it in, but in this case, you select Remember Me, you log in. And if you close the app this time and reopen it, you should go to the main dash instead of the login page. Now you can go to the search jobs, select full day, any date. You have additional options. Select the radius from which you want to search, a course that you would like to teach, a grade, and then search based on that. And there's a list of jobs that you can select based on the times. And when you click the job, you get the details. You can add additional notes. Then you can choose to accept the job. Once you accept it, you see a list of jobs, and you can refresh it, which is being synced with the cloud. You can go to job history, view past jobs, and the details for that particular job. You can also view your upcoming jobs. If you click a certain job, you can set notification options. So in this case, we're going to choose to remind ourselves in 30 seconds. So if you notice in the notification bar, there is no notification. So within 30 seconds, we should get a notification. This is for the map. In case you get lost, you can check where you are. And there's also directions. Oh, and as you can see, there's a new notification for the new jobs. So now we're going to enter the start destination. And the end destination will be a school. And when you press search, you should have a list of directions. And there you have it. And if you choose to log out, you have the option of canceling or actually logging out. That is it. Oh.
Okay, so here's the desktop version of the app. I'm just logging in as a test user. Um, and this is basically the login screen. You can see the quick cancel button to just clear the window. There's also the remember me button, which allows your credentials to be stored. So this is the main view. You have the calendar on the right side. You have a list of all upcoming jobs, and you can actually just click on a day where you have the job available, and the bottom you see the quick details menu there. So you have the ability to either edit or delete job. All this is stored on the cloud, so as soon as you delete the job, it's reflected on the cloud, and we'll be showing a demonstration later where we'll be synchronizing with the mobile device. So here's the adding the job option. So you can input the school name, the address, the date, and basically the time interval, so it'll be either morning, afternoon, or all day event. And you can add it, and as you can see, it's available both on the calendar as well as the upcoming job list. Here's just another one for a quick test. As you can see on the calendar view, there is three things there. There's M, there is AD or A. As you can see, there's no A at the moment, but well, now it's there. The AD stands for all day, M is morning, and A is for just afternoon. Right, so you can see now that, once you click on it, it appears on the bottom. You can also edit the job details. So as soon as you right click to edit, all the information is displayed there, and you can easily modify it. And deleting it once again. And that is pretty much it for the desktop application.
So now we're going to show the sync functionality. So right now in the Android, if you look in the Android app, if you press the refresh button, there is no job accepted jobs. So now we're going to move to our desktop client and accept the job.
Okay, so I'll just add a job. Let's just set it for the 7th, an all day event, and notification interval of 2. We'll save it. Okay,
So now if I refresh it, I should be able to see this job in the list. And as you can see, it's there. So if I accept the new job now, then that should appear in the list as well as his desktop client. So that appeared in my list, and if he refreshes, it appears there as well. So now we're going to try and remove a job from the desktop client and see the result reflected in the Android client. So that desktop test job has been deleted. So now if I refresh, it should be gone. And as you can see, it's gone.
and just to be sure, another test. Delete that as well.
So now there should be no jobs in the list.
Perfect.